Let's begin. Contrast, +42. Highlights, -80. Shadows, +30. Whites, -30. Blacks, +10. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the color section. Vibrance, +30. Saturation, -20. Open color mix, red, hue, +25. Saturation, -10. Orange, hue, -10. Saturation, -20. Luminance, +15. Yellow, hue, -90. Saturation, -90. Luminance, -20. Green, saturation, -100. Aqua, saturation, -100. Blue, saturation, -100. Luminance, -30. Purple, saturation, -100. Magenta, saturation, -100. Open the color grading section. Change the highlights. Hue, +46. Saturation, +10. Luminance, +5. Blending, +90. Balance, +10. Edit global. Hue, +40. Saturation, +5. Open the effects section. Clarity, +21. Dehaze, +19. Vignette, amount, -15. Open Optics and tick Remove CA. And we're finished.